Hey folks, once again, it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check out this one. This is the very first of its type SD model. Yes, you heard me, SD. For San Diego. Yeah, that's right. So we've got our first SD model, and this one is a single pickup. It's got a 59, and all the other details is over here in the description. But let's give you a little sound sample. It's going to be a real quick sample. I'm not going to do all that loopity-doopity stuff, so let's just see what we can get going here. Let's see. It's crispy, it's crunchy, it's 24 3/4 scale. And of course, I use the 4-way wiring so we can get the go back to the single coil when we want it. Excuse my fingers, they've been up since 4 a.m. So that's the clean sound. Little chorus. Let's get the mellow tone sound. Okay, enough of that. That's right, it's that neck. Yeah. So there you have it, and this one is gone. This is the very first of its type. It was commissioned by Richard, and Richard, it's all ready for you, bubby. So it's good to go. I have 3 others actually that were also commissioned, all by the same person. I've got a 6-string, a 7-string, and an 8-string SD model, and they're all 32-inch scale, so they're beasts, and they're neck through. So yeah, they are really beasts, and they're going to have Floyd roses on them. They're pretty cool, so check that out. I should have at least one of those done here pretty soon and get a demo to you. Then, of course, we've got this one going on, so please click the like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you'll get notifications. I really need more followers on this, and as you can see, there's 2. So if you haven't been following along, please go back and watch episode 1, see what we're talking about. I'm going to do a big edit video, or a small edit video, but it's going to be all like 6-7 episodes, whatever, all tied into one video. But in the meantime, please watch each episode. They're not that long themselves, and you'll get to see how I got this far on these hairy, scary basses. This is almost ready. This one's almost done. That one I still have to do the fret leveling on. But this one's all almost ready to start loading. So please, again, check that out. Thanks again, folks, for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.